Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Thanks once again for clicking on the PenBoyRoy Fountain Pen Review channel. The subject of today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Keras Custom Ink version 2 fountain pen. So let's get to it. So before I get into the unboxing of the Keras Custom version 2 ink, first let me say thanks to Keras Customs for providing this pen for review. Also, a shout out to my sponsors, Pen Chalet. Please make sure you check out my sponsor, Pen Chalet, at penchalet.com. And make sure you check out the description down below for information on how to score yourselves discounts at checkout using coupon code GOODWORDS. Just check out the description down below for more details. So, this is how the pen comes in the mail inside of a box. We have a little plastic envelope that contains some ink cartridges, a 1-up sticker that says Keras Pen Company, I like that, and a writing sample of the pen enclosed. Now this one is made of copper, so it came with a white bee polishing cloth. I haven't opened this up, so I'm actually really excited to see what it looks like. This is the box. It's a cardboard box with the Keras Customs design all over it. We're just going to open it up here like that. And what we find inside is just some foam and the pen sitting inside the foam. It's pretty simple. And the pen is inside of a sealed, what looks like sealed from both ends, plastic wrap. So that's how you know it's brand new, folks. They sealed it. They're legit. All right, so let's rip this bad boy open. And we pull it out and we have a nice, pretty hefty copper fountain pen. Now this is version 2, so there's been some improvements. For example, with the old version, apparently there was no O-ring to make it a snug closure. So when it's in your pocket, it'll kind of loosen and open up. That's been eliminated. The old version, the nib was recessed into the section. That's been changed. This is a heavy pen, and it comes with a converter. I like it. You guys know how I feel about pens that don't come with converters. Now this whole pen is machined from copper, making it antimicrobial, which is really important, especially during the time of a pandemic. Everything actually except for the clip, but for 99% of the pen being copper, I'll take it. Now, I don't think that these post. No, they don't post, but it's pretty heavy, and I think posting wouldn't behoove the writing experience anyway. Let's see how many times it takes to unscrew. 1, and just over 1 1/4 rotations. It has a Bach number 6 branded nib, which is good. I like it because it used to be that the nibs were not branded. It has the Bach feed. So not a lot of bells and whistles. That's okay, but definitely a lot of care. These are made actually in the United States using machines. So it looks really industrious. I can appreciate it. Let's open this up since we're here doing this. This is the information card. The Keras Custom. Well, actually, they changed the name. Keras Pen Company Nib Type 250. Steel, tested by whoever that is. The writing sample. Your 2 ink cartridges. These are Monteverdi ink cartridges. Cute sticker. There might be some copyright issues with that, and then the polishing cloth, because this will patina over time. So that was the unboxing of the Keras Custom Ink version 2. Stay tuned for a in-depth, thorough review of this pen. So far, I like it. You could break a car window with it. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Be well, be safe.